Are you curious about a natural elixir that has been praised for its numerous health benefits? Look no further than apple cider vinegar. In this video, we will delve into the incredible advantages, potential side effects, versatile uses, appropriate dosages, and so much more. Get ready to discover the wonders of apple cider vinegar and how it might just become your new go-to remedy for various health and wellness concerns. So, let's dive in. What is apple cider vinegar exactly? First, let's explore exactly what apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is. ACV is a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice. Like other cider and wine-based vinegars, it has between 5 and 6% acidity. You may notice that there are different types of ACV available at the store. For instance, you may be most familiar with distilled ACV, which looks clear in the bottle. But raw, unfiltered, or unpasteurized ACV contains a cloudy substance that floats around in the mix. This is called the mother, and it's formed by natural enzymes during fermentation. No need to be wary of it. This stringy substance usually settles to the bottom of the bottle, and it's completely safe to consume. Regardless of the variety, you do not have to refrigerate ACV, and it will last for a very long time. Vinegar, in general, has an almost indefinite shelf life. Even if vinegar's appearance changes, it may look cloudier, for instance, it's still okay to use. As for nutrition facts, diluted apple cider vinegar contains an insignificant amount of calories per serving, almost no fat, carbohydrates, or protein, and no fiber. Think of it as a great way to add a burst of flavor to foods without adding calories or extra salt. ACV isn't just available in liquid form, you can also buy ACV tablets, capsules, and gummies. Keep in mind, though, that ACV supplements may not be as potent as liquid ACV and will likely be more expensive. What are the possible health benefits of apple cider vinegar? ACV has garnered superfood status, and fans of the vinegar say that it can cure nearly everything that ails you: weight gain, digestive issues, skin woes, and so on. Meanwhile, some companies tout ACV pills as a powerful source of vitamins and minerals, or for weight loss or cleansing support. Few studies support these uses, so while you can add it to your diet without significantly upping your risk for weight gain, it's best to stay realistic about it. ACV's main health benefits may be due to the amount of antioxidant polyphenol, or plant chemicals, it contains, thanks to the fermentation process. It's also rich in probiotics, which may benefit the digestive system and gut microbiome. ACV and weight loss. ACV contains very few calories, so it can fit into your diet if you're trying to lose or maintain weight. But you may also have heard that some people take a shot or tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to stimulate fat burning. The fact of the matter is that taking ACV is unlikely to change your body composition or weight. Registered dietitian Catherine Zaratsky points out that this thought doesn't have scientific support behind it, and the only way to actually lose weight is through a generally healthy diet and by incorporating fitness into your routine. Right up arrow, the advice is far less flashy than supplementing with something as trendy as ACV, but it's exactly what really works. ACV and high cholesterol. ACV may be beneficial for high cholesterol in some groups. For example, a June 2023 meta-analysis of 9 studies noted that ACV might reduce blood cholesterol levels in participants with type 2 diabetes who took 15 ml of ACV daily for more than 8 weeks. Researchers noted, though, that further study is needed to confirm this effect. ACV and ulcerative colitis. Taking diluted vinegar may help improve digestion, though there's a lack of research supporting its use in chronic autoimmune conditions like ulcerative colitis, UC. Giving UC mice diluted apple cider vinegar for a month lowered levels of inflammation in their colon and increased the amount of healthy bacteria in their gut, per a preliminary study. However, this was a single animal study, and researchers are far off from recommending it as a treatment. ACV, and inflammation. Some people suggest taking apple cider vinegar as a treatment to manage symptoms in inflammatory conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, RA, multiple sclerosis, MS, and ankylosing spondylitis, AS. One explanation is that the vinegar may reduce inflammation and lessen symptoms. However, there are no studies that directly explore ACV as a therapy for RA, MS, or AS. Talk to your doctor if you have one of these conditions before trying ACV. ACV and skin conditions. There may be limited benefits for the use of topical ACV on a variety of skin conditions. But experts caution against applying undiluted vinegar directly to skin, noting that this practice can cause chemical burns. Right-up arrow, even diluted ACV can irritate the skin. Eczema. While there is little to no scientific evidence that ACV may be helpful with eczema, it's possible that applying ACV to skin can help restore the skin's natural pH barrier, thanks to ACV's natural acidity. Right-up arrow, but a recent study found that soaking eczema-affected skin in diluted ACV did not affect skin barrier integrity compared with a control group, and it actually caused mild skin irritation in most participants. Right-up arrow, talk to your dermatologist before using ACV topically. Psoriasis. If you have scalp psoriasis, applying organic ACV to the area can help lessen the itch from scaly patches, a common symptom associated with the autoimmune condition. There are some considerations to make before using it. Use diluted vinegar to decrease the risk of burning, and don't apply to any area of the skin that's cracked or bleeding. What are the side effects of apple cider vinegar? ACV is generally safe when consumed in moderation, no more than 1 to 2 tablespoons, daily. But drinking excessive amounts of ACV can decrease potassium to hazardous levels. ACV may interact with some medications, including diuretics, laxatives, and certain medications for diabetes and heart disease. If you take any of these medications, talk to your doctor if you're considering taking ACV. Other potential risks and side effects include tooth enamel erosion, esophageal burns, gastrointestinal distress and acid reflux, worsened chronic kidney disease. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration doesn't approve dietary supplements, including ACV supplements, for safety or effectiveness. If you're taking ACV supplements, follow the dosage directions on the packaging. Always have a discussion with your doctor about anything you take, even if it seems as innocent or natural as vinegar. ACV and yeast infections. Anecdotally, some have claimed that ACV may have some surprising properties for women's health. But this has not been proven safe or effective, and experts caution against putting anything in your vagina, as it can disrupt its natural pH balance. Vinegar can also cause burning and irritation when applied topically, and vinegar douches can increase your risk of infections. Right-up arrow, do not try this on your own without consulting your gynecologist first. Now that you've learned about the many benefits, potential side effects, and various uses of apple cider vinegar, you can incorporate this magical liquid into your daily routine with confidence. Remember, while ACV can offer impressive advantages, it's always essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or health regimen. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and here's to a healthier, happier you with the power of apple cider vinegar. Cheers!